Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make bread pizza. I have taken 6 pieces of bread. I have taken white bread. You can take brown bread also. It is your choice. For the filling I will take tomatoes. I have taken one medium sized tomato cut finely, half capsicum cut finely, and onions, one medium size onion cut finely. Mix everything together. In this mixture we'll add some oregano, chilli flakes, mayonnaise, about a spoon of mayonnaise, half spoon of butter, and this is grated cheese. This also will mix in this little bit. Let us give a good mix. And a half spoon of black salt. Let us give a good mix. Now I have taken 2 bread slices and I am spreading. This is pizza sauce. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can use tomato ketchup as well. Now we'll put the vegetable. Spread it nicely. On this we'll put some oregano, some chili flakes, some olives. If you have olives, you can keep. And spread the cheese. Spread cheese generously. this bread pizza is ready to go on the tawa. On the tawa, let us put some butter and spread it evenly. Put it on low flame and close with the lid. This will not take much time. So minute or two it will get crispy. Let us open. Yes, the cheese is melted, so we can remove this. Now let us cut this. It's become very crispy. You may cut or you may keep it like this also. Children will like this, and even adults will like that. In this way we can give some vegetables. Vegetables will go into the children's stomach. So this is a good evening snack for them. Hello friends, this is the bread pizza that I have made, which the children as well as the adults like. It is a good yummy evening snack. So friends, please do try this and let me know in your comments. Friends, if you have liked my recipe, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll meet you with another video. Thank you.